How to use less data on YouTube. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up YouTube. And once you do that, click on the profile picture or icon at the top right corner. Then click on settings, and here you want to click on data saving, where you will be able to manage your data consumption on YouTube. As you can see, the first option, the data saving mode, YouTube tells you that this will automatically adjust settings to save mobile data. It has a toggle next to it that's turned off, so click on the toggle to turn it on. And once the toggle has been turned on, you can see that all of the default settings are turned on, and this will reduce the video quality. As you can see, it will reduce the download quality, etc. And you can turn some of them off if you want to, but if you want to use the minimum amount of data and save the maximum amount on YouTube, I advise you to keep this thing as is. So that was it for this video. That's how you can reduce the data usage on YouTube. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.